Hi, so this is Dr. Jaime Gonzalez and Dr. Nguyen again, and now we're going to go ahead and start the treatment of the LipiFlow. So we're going to go ahead and start from step one all the way to the very end. So all you guys know exactly what to expect whenever you come in and decide to get the LipiFlow done. So we have some eye drops here. We've already place the activators in the wiring here. This analysis is going to take about 12 minutes and we're going to go ahead and extract all the kind of buttery, thicker oils from her eyelids. So first we're going to go ahead and place a numbing drop. It'll numb the eyes for about 15 to 20 minutes or so. So this one, it is going to sting a little bit. And go ahead and lean back. And we're going to put one drop in each eye. And then go ahead and close your eyes for me for about 1 minute. And then you can wipe it if you need to. And this is the activator. So this top area right here is going to get warm from the inside here. And this is actually going to compress her eyelid, and that's going to extract all the bad oils. So this is a computerized system that will not let the temperature actually go above 108.5 degrees. And it gets warm, they'll feel it, and then the compressions, they'll also feel a little bit of compression on their eyelids. Again, their eyes are completely numb, so the feeling is not going to be very much at all. So this is going to be placed on her right eye first. And so go ahead and lean back for me, all the way back. And then we're going to go ahead and insert it on the top eyelid first. All the way down. Excellent. Fantastic. And then now go ahead and look all the way up for me. Great. Very good. So it's placed on her eye. And then now we're going to go ahead and start taping the wiring system here. And it'll take me about a minute or two. We want to make sure that it's nice and straight and even, just like this. How you doing?
Good.
And so next we're going to go ahead and get the second activator, and then we'll do the same thing for the other eye. And so go ahead and look all the way down, and then we'll place it. Can you go ahead and zoom in on this? Very good. And then go ahead and look up for me. Now we're going to go ahead and grab the lower one, and it goes right in. I'm just holding it here. That looks pretty good right there. So it's nice and even. We're going to be checking her eyelids and the activators every few minutes just to make sure everything stays in place. Then we'll come over here and then we'll go ahead and start the treatment, and then we'll go ahead and start the LipiFlow. As you can see here, this is the amount of pressure that it's going to be pressing on her eyelids, and this is the temperature that it's going to go to. So it's going to be rising up slowly until it starts to melt this oil or this meibum. And it's going to come to a set temperature, and it's not going to go above that. And after a few minutes, you're going to see the pressure kind of go up and then down, up and down, and that's just compressing the eyelids lightly so it can actually compress everything. So it'll do this for about 12 minutes. So she has about 11 minutes and 40 seconds to go. And we're going to talk a little bit about, after we finish the treatment, on some of her experiences with the treatment. Can you tell us a little bit about what you're feeling right now, Dr. Nguyen?
I can feel the heat, and I felt a few pulsations against the lid, but mainly it's warming up.
Any discomfort so far?
So far, so good.
Thumbs up, down, sideways? Sounds good. So we'll wait about another 11 minutes, and then we'll talk a little bit more about, before actually we'll go ahead and take the video of removing the activators, and then we'll talk a little bit more about her experience. So stay tuned for the next video.